Can acupuncture help with fibromyalgia? Many individuals suffer from the disease that is known as fibromyalgia. For some of these people that suffer with this problem, just getting out of bed in the morning can be a very difficult task. It causes pain in specific areas of the body and saps all of the energy that we have away from us. The worst part is that some people don't even consider this to be a disease at all. They think that we are suffering for no reason or that it is simply all in our head. For those of us that live with the disease, however, we know exactly how real it can be. Whenever traditional medicine has failed us, is acupuncture able to step in and cure fibromyalgia? Acupuncture is not actually a cure for any diseases. Although it does help in order to bring the body back into balance, it does not take the disease away from us, our body actually does that. What acupuncture can do for you, if you have fibromyalgia or another disease, is to bring your body into unison with itself and allow the free flow of energy to move through your entire being. This is natural healing at its very roots, and if you are able to heal your body in the flow of energy, it will be much easier for your body to remove diseases such as fibromyalgia. The concept of qi, or the energy that flows within all of us, is at the basis of acupuncture. Thousands of years ago, in ancient China, this practice came into being as a way to get qi to flow freely through individuals. The Chinese felt that if the body was out of balance in any way and leaning either toward the positive or the negative, that illness and disease would result. Although they did not have all of the details that we have as far as medical science is concerned, they were pretty close to the actual truth. When our body gets out of balance, we suffer. So, if you are suffering from fibromyalgia and want to try acupuncture, it's a pretty good idea to do so. Not only can it help you by bringing your body back into balance, but your acupuncturist will be able to guide you in other natural methods to help remove this disease from you, once and for all.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.